Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today we are going to make the stuffing of a samosa made up of aloo. For that you have to make a pan hot on low flame and then add 25 ml oil. So friends, now you have to add 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start sizzling, add pieces of garlic and chopped pieces of green chillies. And mix it well. And then now you have to add finely chopped onions. I have taken small. Saute it until the onions become translucent. You have to add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. If you are adding green chillies, then add 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Don't add more. Now add coriander powder. And then you have to add chaat masala powder. And saute it well. Now you have to add mashed potatoes. We need to boil the potatoes, peel it and then mash it. Now add salt according to your taste. Now mix it well. Cook the mixture well on a low flame and add salt if it is less, according to you. You can also add small pieces of carrot and green peas. So now the samosa's stuffing is ready. Now my brother will show you how to make the outer covering of the samosa.
So now to make the dough for samosa, we need water as per needed for making the dough, 2 tablespoon oil, 200 gram of maida, 1/4 teaspoon of Ajwain. Let's start making the dough. So now we have to first add maida into the bowl and now we have to make a hole in middle and pour 2 tablespoon of oil. And now we have to add 1/4 teaspoon of Ajwain. And now we have to mix it nicely. Have to add salt and make a hard dough. It should be little bit hard. Now I have made the dough, and now we have to cover the dough for 30 minutes with a wet cloth. The dough have to be hard.
Friends, now the dough is ready, and now I have rolled the dough into this oval shape, and then we have to cut it from the middle and make cones for the samosa's outer covering. See, you have to cut it like this into half. So friends, for making the samosa's outer covering, you have to take this part and stick it on this side, keep it like this, and apply little water on this corner or this side. And then you have to take this other point and stick it on this over here. Then after that, pick up this point from here like this and fill the stuffing which you had made. After filling the stuffing inside, apply little water in this side. You should not apply the whole place, only in this side, and stick this part here. And lightly press it like this. Now the samosa's shape is ready. Make the samosa sit properly. Press this part properly and tightly, and also over here, so that it doesn't open in the oil. Now we need to fry these samosas in the hot oil till it comes out crispy and brown. You have to fry the samosa on a low flame. While removing the samosa, remove it on a high flame. Friends, now your delicious, crispy and hot samosas are ready. You can have it as your evening snacks. And please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.